What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not receiving any calls. So first of all, if you're not receiving any calls, make sure that your SIM card is working properly and no calls are barred in your SIM card. Next step, open up this menu and make sure airplane mode is turned off, and also make sure do not disturb or DND is also turned off. Lastly, head over to your settings, tap on the search button and simply type in call forwarding. You will see under call settings, call forwarding. So select call forwarding, and if you have dual SIM, you will see the first SIM right here and second SIM right here. All you have to do is select call forwarding after this loads up. At the section, select call forwarding, and if you have set call forwarding to allowed, you're gonna have to disallow it. And once done guys, restart your device, check again, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.